Hey everybody, Brian Akins. The Eagle has landed right here in my hand. Check this out. Here's a pre-Civil War 1820s brass die stamped waist belt plate. Check out here, guys, how the tongue and the bar there, they were soldered on. Something you kind of want to look for. These are die stamped. And notice the gilt. This one still has a lot of that original gold wash on it, gilt. Normally that's long gone on these plates. This is another item that I picked up at the Brimfield, Massachusetts flea market. Want to show her off. And I'll have this one on Rebel Relics today. You guys can check it out. I'm Brian Akins, rebelrelics.com. Appreciate you watching.